Yes, I found model kits here at the Street Rod Nationals. 2026 NSRA Street Rod Nationals, and they have model kits. I'm going to show you what they got. There's model kits everywhere. 15 bucks for those trikes. That's a great deal. A lot of nice stuff here. Look at that 92 Cougar. You don't see that too often. Leroy Yarborough car, 20 bucks. That GTX hardtop for 20 bucks. There's a smoking hot deal right here. The 57 Chrysler for 10 bucks. I know a little while back someone was looking for one of those. Another good deal, that 29 Ford. That's an old original box too. It's one of the small boxes. It's a great price, 20 bucks. Another good price. These are all good prices. Very nice kit right there, that 37 Ford. Highly recommend that kit if you haven't built it. There's the Beretta when it came out originally in 1989, 20 bucks. Amway IndyCar, 15. That old Henry J kit, 35. Good prices. This kit builds up very nice. If you ever have a chance to get it, 8 bucks, that's cheap. Builds up very nice. That monster truck for 20, that's a good price. Those are going for some pretty good money right now. There's a great NASCAR kit to get for 7. You get all those extra parts in there. Buy it for parts, buy it for the engine, tires and wheels. Make nice kits. Another nice kit, you can get the garden tractor. A 37 Ford for 20 bucks. That's old. Kit hadn't been released in a long time, especially in that box art. 86 Mustang. There you go. Look at that. 15 bucks. '51 Chevy Cruiser for 20. It's a smoking deal. The Robo police car, that Taurus for 20. These are good prices. Guys are constantly saying model kits are expensive. Hey, I like these prices. 25 bucks for the iced tea. Can't beat it. Monkey-mobile for 20. Pretty much all the NASCARs are 7. There's one in rare box art. with the green sticker a little bit more money, it seems like, than the ones I just showed you. The ones behind me are going to be blowouts. They're going to be all gone by the time the weekend's over. Something's cool started up. Big scale Camaro. Big scale funny car. Don't want to get this van. I haven't got it yet. Only for the decals. What you got on the van? No price. It's alright. Mobius tow truck for $45. Good deal. Snow plow for $40. '53 Ford. Nice kits. Oh, these are down low. They're hard to get. It's a film. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of kits for $7 and up, guys, here at the Street Ride Nationals in Louisville, Kentucky. See you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.